Hello friends, my name is Preet Shingavi and you are watching Preo Logic, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your text in any format, not just in bold, italic or cut format, but in any format you can change your text. If you want to change your text without any third party application, then you can watch my video. The link is given below in the description box, or you can click above I button. So before starting the video, I want to tell you that if you are new to my channel or if you had not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for getting all the notifications, and please share this video as far as possible and please like this video. So let's start the video. First, you want to download one app named as Codec. If you want, then download link is given in the description box. Then you can write any of your spelling in stylish and paste it over anywhere. You can also get any barcode of your spelling, and you can also share your barcode with anybody. You can also decorate your text.